My name is Ian Oakland. I'm the owner of Audio Emporium in the UK. At the moment, what I'm trying to do is concentrate a lot on the processing product, the Vorsis, the Wheatstone processing product. Wheatstone are the first people to actually come out with something new with the 30 band, the fine grain processing. With that way of doing it, it's been the first major advance in processing in many, many years, in my opinion. So it's pushing that forward, it's getting that into people's knowledge. Now we're actually dropping the price point with the 531 and getting that out there as well. So that's kind of what I'm pushing at the moment. I think actually people now are looking far more for the quality of the sound. The loudness wars, they pop back occasionally. I've never set up an audio processor where somebody has said, can you make it quieter for me, please? So loudness is always an issue with these things. I think the quality of sound, the processors are far more capable now of delivering a quality sound, delivering that cleanly, and still keeping that level there, still keeping that loudness. So I think we're able to achieve that far better than we could 5 years ago. Certainly with the Aurora, the stations that have it have been incredibly happy with the sound. It's cleaned up, it's added to the quality of the station. I mean, at the end of the day, it's a chain. They've got to put decent audio into the system before we can get decent audio out of the station. So it's part of an ongoing process to polish it, to improve it. But everywhere they've been happy. If you do a shootout with the competition, certainly Aurora comes out on top every time. Audio over IP, certainly in the UK, is a fairly new technology. In terms of digital consoles or digital systems, we were quite early adopters with TDM systems. Those are very well established, they're very well understood. Some of those systems are getting a bit long in the tooth now. We're now trying to push forwards the extras that you can add to it, what you can actually add with audio over IP, how much that will improve the network, the speed of the installation, the cost of the installation, what that system can do for you is what we're trying to push forwards at the moment, yeah.